naman sa vlog natin.
Hi there sa mga followers
lang
natin.
gusto mo i-vlog eh.
Sorry, natama ko.
Anong mensahe mo bago mag-start ang vlog natin today? May mensahe ka ba?
I hope this day will be amazing, like no rain and everything.
Bongga talaga. Ayan. Nasaan tayo today?
Kung you're vlogging,
Ayan na po
Hello,
ang ating
vlogging
best man. Ayan. Walang hairline yan. Oh.
wala.
Dadali mo ba yan? Dapat sasakyan niya.
Ayan po.
Lagay ko na lang ito.
Ready na ba
Alam ka
sa
naman,
lahat?
Miss Pre.
Yo, pati KMKB. Ikaw,
Ready ka na
DJ,
ba?
DJ.
Excited ka na ba?
Yeah.
Ito muna ito lahat.
Kat, ayan na po. Magay ka lang sa vlog natin. Ano yun? Akala ko naman naka-makeup ka na. Charot-charot ka.
Ayaw ko lang sasakay.
Kahit saan, kay Steven na lang ako sasakay. Ayan na po, tingnan nyo ang before. Mamaya makikita nyo yung after nito. Asan na si ano?
Kasi yung ibang mga gamit.
Ready na ba kayo? Magbabalag muna ako. Nice! First vlog is opening.
Dadagdagan ng ano mo, pre.
Kumusta kayo guys?
Dapat pala lagi may
Ay, vlog mo yung sasakyan yung bago.
Ah, may bago ba? Nasaan yung sasakyan? Pakita natin yung
Sasakay ni
vlog.
Jay, sir.
Akala ko may sasakyan ka na.
Para
Ay, teka lang naman! Hindi ko kinaya. Ano to? Grabe naman itong mga... Oh! Ang taray naman! Ang taray naman!
Alin ba? Alin ang sarap ko?
Ikaw ba magdadrive sa kanila or si BJ na magdadrive niya? Sino ba magdadrive dapat ito? Si BJ or siya na?
Siya.
As a driver ka pala today.
Wait lang.
Ay!
Mamaya niya ako usapin.
Ay! Teka lang naman! Ano ito? Ano Excel ito?
Ay, pag ano. Mamaya niya ako usapin pag usapin niyo.
Ay! Hindi ko kinaya. Ang ganda naman nito. Kaya, magkamahal kaya ito. Ay, hindi BMW to. Oh, ano? Oh, yan po. BMW. Amazing. Amazing naman tong car na to. Dahil dyan, thank you sa vlog.
Thank you so
Masang tayo.
Ito lang ba ilalagay din dito?
Ito.
Tapos ano?
Ang ganda naman ni Gail. Gusto ko yung hair mo ganyan na Gail.
Ako dadalhin ko lang.
Di ba ganyan na-meet kita ganyan kahaba yung hair mo? Nung na-meet kita dati.
Saan ka bumili nito, pare? Ganda.
Wait lang, sino sasama sa akin?
Babe, kung may papakita.
Open mo! Smile ka dito, sis.
Photo bomb! Kayong lahat.
Okay, smile dito, smile.
Ito, picture of the... Ay, pa...
Si Ice hindi mo magpo-pronounce. Ikaw ba yun?
Ay! Si Ray, kanina ko yun. Explain ka naman kung nasa na tayo ngayon. Dali. Anong ganap natin today? Outfit
We're
check
on the-
pala tayo. Outfit check.
Ngayon
Ngayon, masasaksihan natin ang kasal,
Ang lalim ng Tagalog.
Nawala yung...
ang pag-isang dibdib.
Pag nanaig. Eh, parang yung pag nanaig.
Di ko sukat akalain na makarating tayo sa tagpong ito.
Ngayon ay
Ngayon,
ito ng taong 2020.
Pagsasani puwersa. Ano daw?
Pagsasani puwersa.
Pag-iisang dibdib.
Yan, pag-isang din. Outfit check tayo kay Vincent. Stay naman dyan. Oh. Bago maging busy mamaya, kailangan mag-vlog na tayo. Wala naman nanonood ng vlog ko, sila lang. Ito maraming nanonood dito kay Gail.
Kay Claire.
Kay Claire pala. Ba't ako Gail lang? Gail, ano ba yan?
Si Kuya Kan.
Ayan. Ganda naman ang atake ni Kat. Kaya Kat, may sakit. Oh. Payat. Kat, ang payat mo, Kat, sa atake mo today. Pak, ganda. Straight ang hair. Oh. Cesar na naman. Ang layo kasi Sino yun? Ayun na po sila, busy. Behind the scenes, exclusively makapanood nyo sa YouTube ko.
Ay,
Ay, sorry po.
Until now, I can still believe we went from being classmates in college, competing with each other, to getting married in different countries. I'll tell you a little secret about TJ. He's the most studious and competitive guy when he's trying to impress a girl. This might be a bittersweet moment for us since our loved ones aren't physically here, but I know deep in my heart that my parents and siblings have seen how great of a guy you are, and happy to welcome you in our family. To end my vow, I thank the Lord for letting us meet at the perfect time, for giving us the strength to overcome all the challenges in our relationship, and for making this special day happen. Today, I vow to never take your love for granted. I'll stand beside you, grow with you, and love you for all the days of my life.
He wants to kiss right away. Can I have the rings, please? The rings. Yeah. The symbol of these rings expresses the purity and constancy of Christian wedded love. The gold has been tried by heat and by pressure and has come out pure and beautiful. Your love will be tested by heat and pressure. Both his finger and repeat after me. At the microphone. Luis, I offer you this ring as a symbol of my desire for us to become one. I pronounce you husband and wife. Let no man separate those whom God has married. BJ, you can now kiss your bride. May the Lord bless you. May the Lord be gracious unto you. The Lord lift up his countenance upon you and give you peace. Amen. Well, ladies and gentlemen, it is with great pleasure and privilege to introduce to you Mr. and Mrs. Benjamin and Luis Soriano.
Ganda naman. Ay! Congratulations! Pat, mahanap kanina, dito ka na pala.
Hindi, nag-ayos na kami dito.
Ah, talaga?
Namin to.
Projector.
Bongga talaga.
Ay, projector yung cellphone ko. Para
Oo nga, yung phone mo. Yung phone mo ba yung tumutugtog? Phone mo yan? Ah, okay. Sige. Kaya na tayo, Pat.
Wish you all the best. Sana maging natin lang kayo lagi. Nagmamahalan. Walang away-away. Wish you happy life ahead. Bilang mag-asawa, magdadaanan, ups and downs, pero dapat kaya namin dalawa. Laging unahin si God sa lahat ng mga.
Hindi man ako present, sorry. Hindi man ako present sa buong journey nyo as sa relationship nyo. Pero kita-kita ko yung love and respect nyo sa isa't isa. And please continue to protect her, support her dreams, and of course, love her through all the highs and lows. Congratulations.
DJ, thank you for being awesome. Thank you for being the best host, for always including me, for making us all feel like family. I'm so happy for you both, and I wish you all the best. And just know, for anything, I'm always one flight away. Thank you.
I just wanna congratulate. Gusto ko lang pong i-congratulate si PJ and Dayan sa wedding niya ngayon. So, I'm very happy na at last. Welcome to the club, brother. Gusto ko lang sa'yo sabihin na kasi hindi naman po kami matagal ng kasal. Newlyweds din po kami. And sa napagdadaanan namin ngayon, hindi lahat masaya. Kasi lahat tayong dadaan dyan. Hindi lahat masaya, hindi lahat...
Family and friends and BJ's workmates, thank you all for coming to our wedding. We're only allowed to invite 50 people, though we have met a lot of people here, great people, but
Bago matapos.
Mahal.
Asan na sila Raymond? Sila ano?
Hindi ko alam.
Sila Bingo, sila DJ.
Mon, naka-video si Kuya Ken.
Na-videoan kita mo. Huli ka pero di kulong. Huli pero di kulong.
May pa-blackmail.
Holy ka. Holy.
Kulang na isa.
Dalawa kasi ito muna isa. Jawab na yan.
Nag-vlog lang ako.
Eh, baka na yan.
Hindi pa tapos yung pagbablog.
Perfect.
Charot lang.
What if ikaw naman ang i-vlog ko?
Agad na ako.
Danny Dak. The host. Ay, ganito pala.
Agad ako. Wag lang. Wala nang energy.
Doon ba tayo?
Oo, wala nang para ano.
Hi, I'm shy.
Para makainom tayo ng bongga.
Kahit saan mo kayo ni Mon.
Sa bahay nila.
Siyempre magbablog tayo. Nakasakay tayo sa napakagandang car, di ba?
5-star review.
5-star review. Saan tayo pupunta, chef?
Sa Tulsi.
Sasayaw ka naman ba ulit?
Hindi ako inom ngayon eh.
Talaga.
Yan, hindi na ako inom.
Bakit?
Control daw sa amin dito. Baka wala nito.
Isipin mo, 10 minutes na buhay mo, di ba susulitin mo?
Ay, hindi.
Gusto mo ng coffee, Jester?
May personal bartender.
Wala ka tayo.
Sayawan ka yan mamaya, mag-headspin yan.
Magic, Mike!
Vincent, bagay ka naman sa vlog ko. Ayan na po siya.
And I will smile.
Yeah.
If the world was ending, I wanna be next to you. Walking down your big body girl, and you dance at the club. Oh mama, I'm just having fun. On the stage in my heels is where I belong. Down at the big body club. I'm gonna keep on dancing at the big body club. I'm gonna keep on dancing down to West Hollywood. I'm gonna keep on dancing at the big body club. Big body club. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I've left you all behind.
Still love you in Tennessee, you're always on my mind. And mama, every Saturday, I can hear your sound and draw 1,000 miles away. Say, God, what have you done? You're a big body girl, and you dance at the club.
Oh, mama, I'm just having fun. On the stage in my heels is where I belong. Down at the big party club.
So there's no sense pretending my heart is not ending. Just when I thought I was over you, and just when I thought I could stand on my own, oh babe, you would never ask me why.
Go, man!
My heart is so disguised. I just can't live a lie anymore. I would rather hurt myself than to ever make you cry. There's nothing left to try. Let's go.
All I use is my faith. Don't speak too much of what's been wrong. Bring on the best celebration. You've been so kind, know it's true. I can do so much for you.
Holding you near me.
I want you to stay and never go away.
It's alright. Having you near me. Holding you near me.
I love you tonight.